Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to crimp the wire. Okay, CCTV cable. So now we'll start. Yes, अभी start कर रहे हैं. देखिए,
cable need to be approximately this much length you need to cut. Sleeve the cable.
see this much length you need to cut. Okay,
Sleeve the cable.
sleeve the cable like this. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ
One core cable. This is main cable. This is core cable. Totally 4 cables will be there. Okay.
4 plus 1. Total 4 plus
4 plus 1. This is called a 4 plus 1 cable. Okay. In this we will use.
Wait, 1 minute. Person, give me insertion tape.
this is 4 plus 1 cable. Okay, these 4 cables are there for power and voice, and this is main cable. Okay,
Okay. Let's take B.
now we have to fix the BNC. Okay, this is the BNC. We need to open like this.
First fixing cover. BNC cover.
BNC, that back side you need to put first. Okay, after that you have to cut.
Take this wire stripper.
Wire stripper.
This is the
Cutter.
first cutter. Very carefully, don't cut that much.
Wait. What you have to? Okay. Cut this.
See, now like this it is.
This is called earthing cable.
Okay. Then later I cut like this.
This
See?
is BNC.
This is VNC main, and it should be like this, little only, not that much big.
And then you
Then little bend because
like
it's
this.
inside.
Okay.
BNC should go and it should be fixed.
and you
Very
next
strong.
take this one
Cutter.
nose player
Nose player.
tester with BNC. Okay.
Oh.
Kindly hold this. Prakash, show me. See like this. Let's just open slightly. Give me tester. Prakash, come closer. See. So take what it's called.
Screw, small screw.
Okay. Then fix like this. Okay. Is it clear? Nice. Then take. So now screw it like this. Tight. And then what is called?
Earthing cable.
Earthing cable. Okay.
It should be twisted with that clamp, BNC clamp, side clamp.
Take nose
Then
player.
take nose plier and lock it permanently.
Proper way. Like this.
See, properly you need to lock.
Okay.
See now.
Blur.
Extra
Later,
earthing
extra.
cable should be cut.
If possible, apply tape also. Insulation tape. Okay. And just fix it like this.
See,
That's the
one
fun
plastic cap, if it's available, you fix that plastic cap and then you close it off.
And don't tight too much. Slightly, okay. And then next take DC power cable.
These
Power
two cable.
cable normally we will use for red and yellow. Okay.
Both
Otherwise, red and black you can use. Remaining 2 cables we will use for mic, positive and
Mic or
negative.
future
If it's 3
power
core
so-
cable means red as usual positive. Then one more cable you will use for mic. Extra cable.
Sir, this is BNC too. This is DC pin. Okay.
DC pin.
Red is positive. Okay. दिख रहा है इधर आपको? 1 minute, 1 minute. Takes some time. I will with.
Red is positive. Yellow is we are using as negative.
But both and D variant, camera and both.
Camera and both
Color
D
should-
variant the color should match. If it's black is available, you can use black.
Black. See Prakash, red is for positive.
Red is
for
positive.
and
Yellow is
See,
negative.
red is positive and yellow is negative. Okay.
Okay, camera. Next thing is camera. See, these two remaining cables are there. No, if you have insertion tape, just apply like this.
Don't cut that extra cable because in future we can use for any red cable or yellow cable. It's got damaged. It means we can use that extra cable.
Like this.
So don't cut that extra cable always.
Tape illala? Tape idragirodu. Okay then. Okay. This is camera BNC cable connector. Okay.
Just to lock. That's it.
And next thing is camera power cable with DC connector. This is
Now it's done. Okay.
bullet
Now
camera.
it's
with
done.
Bullet camera.